In this video, let's see how to use the classic add-on plugins icon widget. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in the existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout and click on this widget in the left sidebar and search for the icon. And drag and drop into your section area, and this is the icon. Here you can change your preferred icon. And this is the view. Here you can choose the view of your icon. And the next is shape. Here you can change the shape of the icon, and here you can enter the URL for this icon. The next one is alignment. Select your preferred alignment and click on the style area, and here you can change the primary and secondary color of the icon in the normal and overview. The next one is hover animation. Here you can change the animation as your preference, and here you can change the size of the icon. The next one is padding. Here you can increase and decrease the padding value for the icon, and here you can rotate it. And this option for border radius. Here you can enter your preferred value for the radius. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.